Hi friends, welcome back to Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Today we are talking about makeup for beginners and giving some easy steps for a flawless look. Makeup is amazing. It can make you look and feel great. It's like painting but on your face. You can create any look you want. Want a natural glow? Makeup can do it. Feeling bold and dramatic? Makeup can do that too. It's all about having fun and expressing yourself. Remember, there are no rules in makeup, just choices. So let's get started and unleash your inner makeup artist. Before we begin, let's gather some essential tools. Don't worry, you don't need a lot to start. Here are the basics. Foundation. This creates an even skin tone. Concealer. This hides blemishes and brightens under the eyes. Mascara. This makes your eyes pop. Blush. This adds a healthy flush of color. Lipstick or lip gloss. This completes your look. These 5 products are all you need to create a simple, fresh look. As you become more confident, you can add other products like eyeshadow and eyeliner. Now for the fun part, applying your makeup. Here's a step-by-step guide for a natural, everyday look foundation. Start with a clean face. Apply foundation evenly with a brush or sponge. Blend well for a seamless finish. Concealer. Dab concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes. Blend gently with your fingertip. Mascara. Apply mascara to your top lashes, wiggling the wand from root to tip. Blush. Smile slightly and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend outwards for a natural flush. Lipstick or lip gloss. Choose a color you love. Apply lipstick or lip gloss to your lips. And that's it. You've created a beautiful natural makeup look. With so many makeup products available, choosing the right ones can be overwhelming. Here are a few tips. Foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. Test it on your jawline in natural light. Concealer. Select a concealer 1 shade lighter than your foundation to brighten under your eyes. Mascara. Black mascara is universally flattering. Choose brown for a softer look. Blush. Peachy pinks and rosy hues suit most skin tones. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, makeup is about having fun and expressing your unique style. Visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.